Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today we have a special treat for you, a delicious and nutritious recipe that's perfect for your evening snack cravings. We're going to learn how to make sweet corn cutlets, also known as sweet corn kebab tikkis. These are not only mouth-watering but also packed with wholesome goodness. So, let's dive right in. Benefits of sweet corn. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of sweet corn, the star ingredient of our sweet corn cutlets. Incorporating sweet corn into your diet not only adds a burst of flavor but also brings a myriad of health benefits to the table. First and foremost, sweet corn is a fantastic source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. The soluble fiber in sweet corn also plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, making it a great option for individuals managing diabetes. Apart from fiber, sweet corn is rich in essential vitamins and minerals. It contains significant amounts of vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, helping to combat free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress. Additionally, sweet corn provides a good dose of B vitamins, including folate, thiamine, and niacin, which are vital for energy metabolism and overall well-being. Sweet corn is also a powerhouse of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants are beneficial for eye health as they help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Including sweet corn in your diet can contribute to maintaining good vision and eye function. Furthermore, the natural sweetness of corn allows you to enjoy a tasty treat without the need for added sugars. This makes it an excellent option for those looking to satisfy their sweet tooth in a healthier way. The natural sugars in sweet corn provide a quick energy boost, making it an ideal choice for a pre-workout or mid-afternoon snack. Incorporating sweet corn into your meals not only elevates the taste but also adds a nutritional punch. Whether you're aiming to support your digestive health, boost your immune system, or promote eye health, sweet corn is a versatile and wholesome ingredient that aligns perfectly with a healthy lifestyle. So, when you savor those delicious sweet corn cutlets, know that you're not just indulging in a delightful snack but also nourishing your body with a host of health benefits. Ingredients. Now let's take a closer look at the vibrant array of ingredients that come together to create our wholesome sweet corn cutlets, ensuring a perfect blend of flavors and nutritional goodness. Starting with the heart of our recipe, we have 2 cups of boiled sweet corn. Next up, 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes. Potatoes bring a satisfying creaminess to the mix while contributing essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Their starchy texture helps bind the cutlets, creating a delightful mouthfeel. For a burst of color and additional nutrients, we include half a cup each of finely chopped onions and bell peppers. Onions add a savory depth, while bell peppers not only enhance the visual appeal but also provide a dose of vitamin C and antioxidants. To introduce a hint of sweetness and a boost of beta-carotene, we incorporate a 1/4 cup of grated carrots. Carrots not only contribute to the vibrant orange hue but also bring numerous health benefits, including improved eye health and a rich supply of antioxidants. Adding a touch of freshness and aromatic flavor, we include 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Coriander not only elevates the taste profile but also offers digestive benefits and is a rich source of antioxidants. To intensify the flavor profile, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste makes its way into the mix. Beyond its aromatic qualities, ginger garlic paste boasts anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in digestion and contributing to overall gut health. Now, let's spice things up with our seasoning. We incorporate 1 teaspoon of cumin powder for a warm, earthy undertone and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala to infuse a tangy and zesty kick. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder adds just the right amount of heat, customizable to your spice preference. Of course, no cutlet is complete without the essential element of salt to taste. This not only enhances the flavors but also helps balance the overall taste profile. To achieve that crispy exterior, we use half a cup of breadcrumbs for coating. Opt for whole wheat breadcrumbs for an added nutritional boost. Lastly, for the cooking process, we need 2 tablespoons of oil for shallow frying. This ensures a deliciously crispy texture while keeping the overall dish light and healthy. These thoughtfully selected ingredients come together harmoniously, creating sweet corn cutlets that are not only a treat for your taste buds but also a nutritious addition to your health-conscious lifestyle. Preparation. Now that we've covered the tantalizing array of ingredients, let's embark on the delightful journey of preparing our sweet corn cutlets. Follow these simple steps, and you'll soon be savoring these golden nuggets of goodness. Step 1. Grind the boiled sweet corn. Begin by taking 2 cups of boiled sweet corn and grind them in a food processor. The goal is to achieve a coarse paste that will infuse the cutlets with the sweet and juicy essence of corn. This forms the flavorful base of our cutlets, ensuring each bite bursts with the natural goodness of this golden grain. Step 2. Mix the ingredient. In a spacious mixing bowl, combine the ground sweet corn with 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes. To this, add the finely chopped onions, bell peppers and grated carrots. Now, let's add the aromatic elements, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste for a delightful depth of flavor. The combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of taste that will leave your taste buds dancing. Step 3. Seasoning time. Time to spice things up. Introduce 1 teaspoon of cumin powder for a warm, earthy note, followed by 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Adjust the spice levels with half a teaspoon of red chili powder according to your preference. Finally, add salt to taste, ensuring all the flavors harmonize into a delectable blend. Step 4. Shape and coat. Divide the mixture into equal portions and shape them into round or oval patties. This is where the magic happens. To achieve that perfect crispy exterior, coat each cutlet evenly with breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs not only provide a delightful crunch but also contribute an extra layer of texture to the cutlets. Step 5. Shallow fry to golden perfection. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan for shallow frying. Gently place the cutlets in the pan, ensuring they have ample space to cook evenly. Allow them to sizzle and cook until both sides turn a beautiful golden brown, creating a crispy exterior while preserving the succulence within. Step 6. Drain and serve. Once golden and crispy, transfer the cutlets to a plate lined with a paper towel. This helps absorb any excess oil, ensuring your sweet corn cutlets are not only delicious but also light and health conscious. And voila! Your sweet corn cutlets are ready to be served and savored. A perfect blend of flavors, textures and nutrition, these cutlets make for an ideal snack or appetizer for any occasion. Enjoy the wholesome goodness of these golden delights. Tips for a healthier version. Now that we've mastered the art of crafting delicious sweet corn cutlets, let's explore some tips to elevate their health quotient even further. These simple tweaks ensure you can relish the flavors guilt-free, making your snack not just delightful but also a nourishing addition to your wellness journey. 1. Bake instead of fry. For those aiming to reduce their oil intake, consider baking the cutlets instead of shallow frying. Preheat your oven, place the cutlets on a baking sheet, and let them bake until they achieve that desirable golden brown color. This method retains the crispiness while significantly reducing the overall fat content, making it a healthier alternative. 2. Whole wheat breadcrumbs. Swap traditional breadcrumbs for the whole wheat variety. Whole wheat breadcrumbs add an extra layer of fiber to the cutlets, promoting digestive health and providing a sustained release of energy. This switch not only enhances the nutritional profile but also complements the wholesome theme of our sweet corn cutlets. 3. Yogurt dip instead of traditional sauces. Rather than pairing your cutlets with conventional sauces that may be high in sugars or unhealthy fats, opt for a yogurt-based dip. Greek yogurt, seasoned with a dash of herbs and a hint of garlic, not only enhances the flavor but also brings in a dose of probiotics. This choice is lighter on the calorie scale and contributes to gut health, aligning perfectly with your commitment to overall well-being. 4. Add greens to the mix. Enhance the nutritional content of your cutlets by incorporating finely chopped spinach or kale into the mixture. These leafy greens bring in additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, further enriching the health benefits of your snack. The vibrant green hues also add a visual appeal that complements the golden tones of the sweet corn. 5. Nutritional yeast for a flavor boost. Consider incorporating nutritional yeast into your mixture for a savory, cheese-like flavor. Not only does it add a delightful umami note, but nutritional yeast is also a source of essential B vitamins. This addition elevates the taste profile while contributing to your overall nutrient intake. By implementing these tips, you transform your sweet corn cutlets into a health-conscious masterpiece. Experiment with these variations to find the combination that suits your taste buds and aligns with your wellness goals. Remember, the journey to health can be as delicious as it is rewarding. And there you have it, our sweet corn cutlet recipe, a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. Whether you're looking for a snack for your evening cravings or planning a party, these cutlets are sure to be a hit. In our next video, we will be discussing about a disease that has been plaguing the world for quite some time, malaria. Please join us as we thrive to educate you all on this crucial topic. Thank you for joining us on Total Vigor. If you have any recipes you'd like us to feature or any health topics you'd like us to discuss, leave a comment below. Before you go, we want to express our gratitude for your time and support. Your comments and likes mean the world to us. Stay vibrant, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next Total Vigor episode. Until then, take care.